Hi everyone, welcome to Own Creations by Irene, and on today's video I'm going to teach you how to use your old pillows to make new ones. And also I'm going to be giving you very important hacks that will be useful in your pillow making. So with me I have a piece of fabric that I already cut, and this piece of fabric is 17 by 17. It's 17 by 17. Let me show you. It's 17 by 17. So if your pillow cover is 15 by 15 inches, make sure your inner pillow is 2 inches larger than the inner pillow. So than the outer pillow. Make sure that your pillow cover is if your pillow cover is 15 by 15, make sure your inner pillow is 17 by 17 inches. It's going to give you a fuller outcome when you've already stuffed your cover with the pillow. So I had already stitched my what I'm going to be using to stuff my fiber, and I'm going to show you something. When you're stitching the edges, please avoid using an angle like stitch. Let me see where it is. Yes, here. Avoid using an angle like stitch. Avoid this. And please use a curve. You see? Use a curve to stitch the edges. So I'm going to overturn this because this is where we are going to stuff our pillow, our fiber. This is where we are going to stuff our fiber. So today I'm going to be showing you the difference between old fiber and new fiber. So with me I have an old pillow. I had already slashed it open, and this is an old pillow of mine. And when I was making this, I didn't know how to properly fiber fill my pillow. So this is my old fiber. This is my old fiber, and I'm going to be showing you the difference between the old fiber and new fiber. You see, I didn't know how to stuff them well. So this is old fiber, and I'm going to show you new fiber. This is new fiber. As you can see, this one is more puffy, and this one has already shrunk. You see, this has already shrunk and this is more puffy. So on today's video we are going to turn this old one to look like this. We are going to turn this old fiber to look like new fiber so that we can feel it on our piece of cloth. So this is how we do it. You're going to be doing this to your old fiber, and while doing this you can sit down and watch a movie and do this to your old fiber till all the old fiber. Please do this, and please do it in small portions. We are like disentangling them. Please do this, and then I'm going to show you how to insert them in this piece of cloth. You see now I'm going to show you. You see what we've done? When you do this, please don't get tired. I told you can do this while watching a movie. When you do this, let me show you the new fiber, and then we'll see the difference. So this is the new fiber and this is the old fiber. You see, this is the new one, this is the old one. Let me put the new one here. This is new. This is, can you even tell the difference? This is new, this is old. You see, by disentangling them, it gives them a new feel. You see, It gives them a new feel. They become new. So this is our old fiber. So I'm going to be doing this whole process to the other fiber, the old fiber that I got from my old pillow. And this is how we stuff it. There is an opening I had left on my piece of cloth. And please, when you're stuffing, do it in small portions also. Do it on small portions. Use small portions to stuff. Use small portions. And when you're stuffing, please start with your edges. Fill your edges like this. And repeat the whole process till your pillow is full. So this is the result. As you can see, I have already fiber filled. As you can see, the pillow looks more stuffed. And bear in mind, I haven't added any fiber. It is the old pillow fiber that I have used for the new pillow. I haven't added. You see how disentangling makes it look more filled? You see? I'm going to show you the difference of my old pillow. I think I have another old pillow somewhere. I'm going to show you the difference of the two. And mind you, it's the same amount of fiber. But the difference is the other pillow have old fiber. And this one is the old fiber, but I had disentangled. So this is my old pillow. As you can see, this is my old pillow. It still has fiber that has not been disentangled. And I had slashed it. Let me show you. You see, it has fiber that has not been disentangled. I'm sure if I disentangle this fiber and make another cloth and fiber fill this when I disentangle like this, I'm very sure I'm going to have something this stuffed. You see how bouncy it is? It's very bouncy. It's very bouncy than this. This looks, it doesn't look very nice. It doesn't look very nice. You see, when it's not bouncy. You see, it's not bouncy because the fiber, number one, the fiber had been placed wrongly and it's old. And you see, this is very puffy. This is very puffy and bouncy, as you can see. So, I'm going to show you how we are going to stitch this. Or rather, I'm going to show you how to finish this with your machine. Actually, I have a pillow that I had already stitched with the machine. I'm going to show you. You're just going to fold here and here. You see this? And then you can take your pin and pin. You can pin this. And then you can either choose to machine stitch or hand stitch. If you machine stitch, this is the outcome. Let me show you. This is the outcome. If you must stitch with a machine, this is the outcome. I don't know if you can see. That must be the outcome. And let's see how it looks on our, I'm going to stitch this and we are going to put it in my pillow and see. In my pillow cover and see. See how well it has filled. See how bouncy and puffy our pillow cover is. And please remember, if your pillow cover is 15 by 15 inches as mine is, please make sure your inner pillow is 17 by 17, and please remember to add some seam allowance. See how beautiful that looks? See? So I've inserted my pillow, as you can see, and you've seen how puffy it is. So thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you. See you again in our next video. Bye.